Hi, today in front of me ZTE Blade V40s and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this first application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard tap once on the swatcher, then tap twice to OK and go back. So here we should click the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished. So let's go here to the app search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 and all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.